In Elbit's own words, their weapons are battle-proven on Palestinian people. But what they have proven is that they are murderers and that their business model relies on murder.
I wish with every fibre of my being that Asking Nicely got people their freedom and their safety and their well-being, but unfortunately that is not the world that we live in.
The people of Palestine right now are living in an apartheid state. Their children are being murdered and their homes demolished. Rather than challenging this war on Palestine and the killing of its people, this government has chosen to be complicit in these war crimes by allowing Elbit to operate on UK soil.
At the end of the day, if we don't do anything about it, then what's going to change?
Israel's monopoly of violence doesn't start in Palestine. It starts beneath my feet in UK soil and beneath my feet on an Elbit war factory.
Even though it's not me who's facing the genocide that the Palestinian people are facing, I'm not disconnected from that. It's companies here in this country that are profiting from instances of mass death and destruction. It's the government in this country that's ultimately facilitating or at least allowing these deals.
I think it's important to note that Elbit not only manufacture several weapons used against Palestinians that have been deemed illegal under international law by Human Rights Watch, but also are producing drones which are going to be set to be used in the UK to surveil not only the UK's own citizens, but the UK's borders against migrants and asylum seekers. So I really encourage everyone who's watching to get involved.